Good day, viewers. We're thrilled to bring you another informative video. The Toll Incorporated Crosshedger is a fast and efficient tree trimming machine designed for use in orchards, vineyards, and other agricultural settings. With its powerful cutting blades and innovative design, this machine is capable of quickly and accurately trimming trees of various sizes and shapes. Its precision cutting blades are designed to provide a clean and accurate cut, while its unique cross-hedging feature allows for efficient trimming of both sides of the tree at once. The Breilmeyer Type 29 is a specialized mower designed for cutting grass and other vegetation in difficult and hard-to-reach areas. This powerful machine is built to handle tough terrain and extreme conditions, making it an ideal tool for a variety of agricultural and commercial applications. It features a sturdy steel frame and powerful engine that provide ample power and durability for cutting even the toughest vegetation. Ropa Urmaus 4 is a self-propelled sugar beet cleaning and loading machine with a new intake system, moving the mouse into transport position, namely folding into a compact transport width of 3 meters and total length of 15 meters, is fully automatic from the cab with just one control. A large wheelbase of 5.5 meters, combined with 2 additional axles with hydraulic suspension, ensures safe handling of a massive loader. The Trom 8 mulcher is a powerful and efficient machine designed for shredding various types of vegetation, including bushes, trees, and branches. This mulcher features a large, heavy-duty rotor that spins at high speeds, creating a suction effect that pulls in vegetation and reduces it into a fine mulch. It also comes with adjustable blades and hammers that can be configured to achieve the desired shredding result. The Brower 4000 automatic roll sod harvester is a specialized piece of equipment used in the agricultural industry for harvesting and cutting sod. The machine is pulled by a tractor and can be adjusted to accommodate different types of grasses and soil conditions. The machine's cutting blades and rollers are designed to minimize damage to the grass, resulting in rolls that are smooth, dense, and easy to install. Nio Technologies launched a new version of the TED Vineyard Robot. This vineyard robot is now equipped with a tool holder in the middle and its engine power increased. The conception and design of the platform were thought out whilst maximizing the machine's safety features. Safety devices were included, slowing down before an obstacle and halting immediately if touched, and a remote operational monitoring system was installed. This is a bulk cutter, the world's first deep-sea mineral extraction vehicle. It was designed to recover seafloor massive sulfides in the Bismarck Sea off Papua New Guinea. The power is supplied via an umbilical from the vessel. This is a Ventrac SSV, or sidewalk snow vehicle. It's a sleek and durable option for clearing snow from sidewalks. It was designed as a system that can handle any winter storm. Ladybird is an agricultural robot designed to address the labor shortage in the farming industry. It's equipped with cameras and sensors that allow it to navigate through fields and identify weeds. Ladybird is powered by a combination of rechargeable batteries and solar panels, which allows it to operate for extended periods without needing to be recharged. Agricultural robot Sweeper helps farmers to harvest. It's specifically intended for use in single-stem row cropping systems where the fruits are not clustered and where there's little leaf occlusion. The manufacturers have incorporated advanced computer vision methods to improve the robot's ability to detect ripe produce. The AHWI M650 Forest Mulcher is a powerful machine designed for heavy-duty land clearing and forestry applications. It features a high-performance hydraulic motor that drives a cutting rotor equipped with sharp teeth, allowing it to shred trees, stumps, brush, and other vegetation quickly and efficiently. The LaSalle machine is a specialized drainage machine designed to effectively and efficiently install drainage systems in agricultural fields. This powerful machine is built to handle tough soil conditions and deliver high-quality drainage with minimal waste. The AgZeed robot tractor is an innovative and intelligent machine designed for precision farming. It comes equipped with advanced sensors, GPS technology, and artificial intelligence that enable it to navigate autonomously and perform various farming tasks with high accuracy. It's also equipped with safety features such as obstacle detection and emergency stop that ensure safe operation. The Modi pumpkin harvesting machine is a specialized piece of equipment used for commercial pumpkin harvesting. It's designed to efficiently harvest pumpkins from fields in a quick and automated process. The machine works by driving over the pumpkin plants and using a set of rotating blades to cut the stem from the pumpkin, separating it from the vine. The pumpkins then fall onto the conveyor belt or other collection system and are transported to a storage or processing area. The P&H 4800 XPC electric rope shovel is a highly advanced and powerful machine designed for heavy-duty mining applications. This electric rope shovel has a massive 135-ton payload capacity and is capable of handling even the toughest mining materials such as iron ore and copper. Automated tea harvesters are machines designed to pick tea leaves from tea bushes quickly and efficiently. These machines are equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms that can detect and select only the mature tea leaves, ensuring a high-quality tea harvest. The automated tea harvesters are equipped with several innovative features, such as adjustable cutting heights, leaf-catching baskets, and a conveyor system that transports the harvested tea leaves to the collection point. The Comtech Top Turn X is a robust compost windrow turner, engineered with the proven functionality of the larger Comtech machines, packed into a scale perfect for small and medium-sized composting operations. This machine is designed to effectively turn and aerate compost windrows, resulting in faster and more efficient decomposition. The Comtech Top Turn X is equipped with a powerful engine and heavy-duty drum, making it capable of processing large amounts of compost material in a short amount of time. The Agricultural Rock Picker for ATV is a specialized attachment designed to be used with an all-terrain vehicle, or ATV, for clearing rocks and debris from agricultural fields. Its powerful hydraulic system and robust components allow it to handle a wide range of rock sizes and shapes, while its adjustable settings and user-friendly interface make it easy to operate and customize to meet specific needs. IC Series autonomous implement carriers from Auto Agri are to stand out from others by its electric drivetrain and compatibility with existing implements. The robot carries implements up to 2,000 kilograms. All four wheels, positioned on each corner of the vehicle, are driven and can steer 360 degrees. These are to give the Auto Agri I-Series maximum navigation flexibility and the ability to drive in all directions and turn around its own axis, also in challenging terrain.